Hey everyone, welcome back to math. So this week in math, we're going to be reviewing coins. But before we do all that, I want to review our coin poems. Remember how we used to sing? Well, not sing, but we used to read our poems about the. Remember what this one is? A penny. How much is a penny? 1 cent. And then we read a poem about this coin. What's this coin? It's the front of the coin. I can't really see it that well. I see Thomas Jefferson. And then over here, the back of the coin. I see Monticello, his house. Do you remember what this coin is? A nickel. And a nickel is how much? 5 cents. It's worth 5 cents. And then we also read a poem about this little one. Now this coin is really small, but it's not very small in its value. Really tiny. I don't know if you can really see it. Remember the back has like a little torch. And then the front, he said that this president doesn't have a ponytail like the other ones. It's a dime. Do you remember the value of a dime? It's 10 cents. Good job. Now we have the biggest coin of them all. We have George Washington in the front. And on the back, we have an American eagle. Do you remember what this coin is called? It's a quarter. How much is it worth? It's worth 25 cents. So let's review those poems together. I'm going to pull it up. We always had a fun time reading those poems. There we go. All right. Let's do, which one's this one? A penny. Ready? Penny, penny, easily spent, coppery brown and worth 1 cent. What color is the penny? It's coppery brown. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. Good job. Now the next one is, this one's kind of hard to see. It's a nickel. Ready? Let's read it. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. Good job. Now we have the smallest one. What is it called? A dime. Ready? Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. How much is a dime worth? 10 cents. Now you have the biggest one. And this one is a quarter. Let's read it. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. How much is a quarter worth? It's worth 25 cents. Those are all your coins. All right, so I'm going to show you what you're going to do on Seesaw this week for coins. So I'm going to share my screen. There we go. All right. So you're going to click on this activity that says, I can identify US coins and state their value. So you're going to add your response. Write your name. And this is a template that we're going to use. And so here you have, in each of these sections, you have different coins. And then right here, here are the names to each coins, but they're out of order. So you're going to have to really pay attention to the word and where you're going to place it. And then under here, it's how much they're worth. It's the value. So you're going to use your little pointer finger to be able to move the words and the values. All right. So remember, these are not in order. The words and the values are not in order. So you have to really use your brain and think. So let's start off with the coppery brown one. This is the easiest one to remember. What coin is this? It's a penny. Good job. So which of these words says penny? What's the beginning sound in penny? P. P, right? So which one has the letter P in the beginning? This one? No, it's D. This one? No. N. This one? Could be. Let's look at this one. What about this one? No, that's a Q. Don't let that fool you. So this is the word penny. So I'm going to drag it, click on it over to this box. Now the bottom box, I have to put the value. So how much is a penny worth? 1 cent. So let's look up under here and let's find 1 cent. Here's 1 cent. And you drag it over here. Now we have this one. And so I already have my pennies right here. I have my penny. So I'm going to put that to the side because I don't need it anymore. So I have 3 coins left. I have this one. It doesn't look like the quarter. I have this little one, but I know the little one's a dime. It's not a dime. I have left is a nickel. So what is this? It's a nickel. So let's look which one says the word nickel. N, right? Yep, there's the word nickel. And how much is a nickel? 5 cents. Good job. So look under here for the number 5. Oh, there's 5 cents. Now let's look at this one. This one was the smallest size, but we know that this coin is not the smallest in value, but it is the smallest in size. Do you remember what this coin is called? It's a dime. We have 2 left. This word and this word. Which one do you think says dime? The letter D. Good job. And how much is a dime? 10 cents. So then this one is this biggest one is a quarter. And how much is a quarter? 25 cents. Good. Penny is worth 1 cent. Nickel is worth 5 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. And then you can click the check mark to submit it, and then you are all done with that activity. All right, I hope you have fun with this activity, and remember, never stop practicing coins. Always review coins because this is money. You're going to have to use money for the rest of your life. So if you want to have a lot of money, you need to learn how the names of your coins, all right? You need to know the value and the name if you want to have a lot of money. So make sure that you are really solid with naming and identifying your coins. Until next time.